Hello, boys, girls, and families. Today I am going to teach you how to use Google Classroom. You will need to be logged into your TPAA email in order to access Google Classroom. You can get on Google Classroom in two ways. You can type in classroom.google.com, or you can click on the waffle here and click on Classroom. Once you are on Google Classroom, there are two ways that you can add a class. You can click the plus button up here and click on Join a Class. You will need a class code that your teacher has provided for you. Another way that you can join a class is if your teacher has invited you, which will show up in here and you will have to accept the invitation. Once you're a part of a Google Classroom, you will click on the class, and the first thing you will see is the stream. The stream gives some announcements. So if an assignment is posted, you will see that on the stream or any other announcement that your teacher chooses to post. In order to see your assignments, you're going to click on Classwork. So here I have Math Quiz. I'm going to click on View Assignment, and I can click on the assignment in order to complete it. Once I need to make sure to mark it as done. If I do not mark it as done, my parents will receive an email letting them know that I did not complete an assignment, even if I did complete it. So it's very important that we remember to turn in all of our work. Once you are finished with this classroom, if you would like to go to a different classroom, you just click on those three lines and go back to classes. Also, when I am in my classroom, there's also this tab called People. This tab will allow me to see my teacher as well as any other student in the class. If I need to contact my teacher, I can click and email my teacher right here. I could also choose to contact anyone else in the class if I need to talk to them for any reason.